Matt. This is my 2007 BMW 335i. Today we will be installing a Clutchmasters 850 series twin disc setup. Alright, so today we are pulling out the old clutch that I had here. I had a spec stage 3 plus. It was supposed to be rated for 750 horsepower. We were shooting for 700 on the dyno and started slipping at 22 psi, which was right at the 600 mark. I've had this clutch on here for a while, so I expected some wear and tear. As you can see, it's definitely been pretty hot. Did not hold up to the power we were going after. So we will be pulling it out and replacing it with a Clutchmasters 850 series twin disc. Flywheel is already in the car, and twin disc should hold up to plenty of the power that we're going to try to put down after we complete this install.
So is it any different?
Oh yeah, it's way different. The clutch pedal itself is 10-fold stiffer, naturally, as twin discs are, generally speaking. But I will say it's a lot better on the engagement, say out of first gear, as compared to other twin discs that I've driven. Most of them are at the very top of the pedal. This one's closer to the floor, so it's more comfy. But waiting at a red light or a stop sign for a long period of time, this is not going to be fun. It's a really stiff pedal. But it's smooth. The engagement's nice. I'll give it that. It grabs quick. The chatter on it is louder than my other clutch. All single mass flywheels and twin discs have a lot of chatter just due to the way that they're made. And you can overcome that by raising RPMs, which I've already done, being that I had a single mass flywheel in here before, but this one's still pretty loud. I'll get used to it. It'll be alright.
Anything for more power?
Yeah, it's always a battle for more power.